I thought I knew you. Paris, the city of lights, the city of love. I believed I had uncovered all your secrets, experienced all your wonders. Let's talk about Paris. Let's delve into what makes this city so eternally captivating, so endlessly fascinating. When you hear Paris, you picture the Eiffel Tower, right? It's the image that instantly springs to mind. It's iconic, and yes, you should see it. Stand in its shadow, marvel at its grandeur. But that's just the surface. That's merely the postcard view. Paris is like a croissant, famous on the outside, a golden, flaky delight that everyone recognizes, but the real magic is in the layers. The hidden pockets of air, the buttery richness within. Beyond the landmarks, there's a secret Paris quiet courtyards, tiny cheese shops and winding streets where locals live and laugh, where the true spirit of the city resides. This isn't the Paris of long lines and selfie sticks. It's something far more authentic and personal. It's the Paris of chance encounters and happy accidents. The unexpected moments that make a trip truly special. Follow the scent of fresh bread, stumble into a hidden jazz club, or discover a bakery that changes your life. A pastry so perfect it redefines your understanding of deliciousness. The real pulse of Paris is in its neighborhoods, away from the guidebooks, where life unfolds at its own pace. So here's the plan. We'll wave to the Eiffel Tower, then dive into the city's hidden layers. We'll peel back the surface and explore what lies beneath. Let's get a little lost and find the Paris that feels like a secret, a place only you have discovered. Ready? Let's go. It's going to be unforgettable, a journey into the heart and soul of Paris. Our journey through Paris continues, and this time we're venturing off the beaten path. Belleville. This neighborhood is vibrant, bursting with an energy that's palpable from the moment you arrive. It's gritty, a little rough around the edges, and alive with creativity. You can feel the artistic pulse thrumming through its streets. Walking here is like exploring, a living art gallery, an ever-changing canvas of expression. Massive murals explode with color, telling stories without words. Music from open windows spills out onto the streets, creating an impromptu soundtrack to your exploration, and a mix of cultures blends together, creating a vibrant tapestry of humanity everywhere you look. It's a feast for the senses. One street is a French bistro serving up classic dishes. The next is a Vietnamese pho spot, offering fragrant bowls of noodle soup. And just around the corner, a Tunisian bakery tempts you with sweet pastries. Belleville is a true melting pot, a place where different worlds collide and create something new, where artists and dreamers find inspiration. Share the city with families and locals who have called Belleville home for generations. Climb up Parc de Belleville for a panoramic view of Paris, a breathtaking vista that stretches out before you without the crowds. It's a hidden gem, a peaceful escape from the bustling city below. Here you can sit, breathe, and take in the city's beauty. Let the sprawling cityscape captivate you. The real magic? The people. The warm, welcoming faces that make Belleville so special. I met a woman running a tiny cheese shop, a fromagerie started by her grandfather, a legacy of flavor passed down through generations. Every cheese has a story, a history etched into its rind, and every encounter feels like a piece of Parisian history, a connection to the past, right here in the present. In Belleville, every corner has a story, waiting to be discovered, every face a smile, a genuine warmth that embraces you. It's not polished, it doesn't try to be perfect, but it's real. Authenticity shines through every crack in the pavement, and it's got a giant and enormous welcoming heart. It embraces you with open arms. This is the Paris locals love, the Paris that exists beyond the postcards. And now, you're part of it too. Welcome to Belleville. Did you know that nestled in the heart of Montmartre, a stone's throw from the iconic Sacré-Cœur Basilica, there's a secret vineyard? It's a little-known fact that adds another layer of charm to this already enchanting Parisian neighborhood. It's called Clos Montmartre, and it's not just any vineyard. It's been growing grapes and producing wine for centuries, a testament to the enduring agricultural heritage within the city. Most people come for Sacré-Cœur, drawn by its stunning architecture and panoramic views, but if you walk a little further, venture off the beaten path, you'll spot this hidden gem, a verdant oasis tucked away from the bustling crowds. It's discreetly nestled behind a fence, protecting its precious vines. Every year, the neighborhood comes alive and celebrates the grape harvest, a tradition that brings the community together. The festivities are filled with music, dancing, joyous movement that fills the streets, and of course, wine. A tradition connecting Paris to its rural roots, reminding everyone of France's rich agricultural history. You can't just wander in whenever you please. It's a working vineyard after all, But even just peeking through the fence, catching a glimpse of the vines, changes how you see Montmartre, offering a new perspective on this iconic location. Suddenly, it's not just a tourist hub, a place overrun with visitors. It's a village, a living, breathing community with its own vineyard, a source of local pride. Look closer, take your time to explore, and you'll find tiny gardens, bursting with color and life, ivy-covered walls, adding a touch of romance and mystery, and dedicated artisans at work, preserving traditional skills. I remember stumbling into a small, unassuming workshop, where a craftsman meticulously made leather-bound journals by hand, each one a unique work of art. We barely spoke the same language, communication was a challenge, but we shared a smile and a story, a connection that transcended words. This is the true spirit of Montmartre quiet creators, dedicated to their craft, old traditions, passed down through generations, and delightful surprises waiting around every corner, just waiting to be discovered. It's a Paris you'll never forget, an authentic and magical experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Ready to time travel? Step into Paris's covered passages. The passages couverts. These glass-roofed arcades are filled with mosaic floors, antique shops, and a magical hush. My favorite is Galerie Vivienne with its stunning floors and a bookstore stacked to the ceiling. These passages were once the height of luxury, and they still feel like a secret world. And where there are hidden passages, there are hidden feasts. Down these arcades and side streets, you'll find neo-bistros, small, creative restaurants run by young chefs. Menus change daily, ingredients are fresh, and the atmosphere is relaxed. I had a dish with asparagus and a poached egg that I still dream about. The chef came out to chat, excited to share his creations. This is the new soul of Parisian food, honoring tradition, but always inventing. It's a delicious adventure. So, what have we learned? Paris saves its best secrets for the curious. The Eiffel Tower is spectacular, but the real thrill is discovery. It's the joy of finding a street bursting with art, a vineyard on a city hill, or a bakery that changes your life. The true beauty of Paris is in its people, artisans, chefs, and locals who make every encounter memorable. These are the stories you'll tell, moments that turn a trip into an adventure. Next time you're in Paris, put down the checklist, pick a neighborhood and just wander, follow your nose, the music, or a cobblestone alley. Let the city surprise you. You'll find something that feels like it was meant just for you. So go find your Paris. The cafe, the park bench, the meal you'll never forget. Don't just visit, experience it. Your adventure is waiting.